the box you use to get your stuff from your factory into Amazon is hugely important. It's hugely important. These boxes are really poor quality. And what could have very, very easily happened is that because the boxes basically compressed and ballooned out, it could have very easily increased the volume of that delivery, which would have then increased your costs for that delivery. Okay. Not using good boxes is really poor in terms of, like, you're saving a penny, but you have to spend $1 kind of philosophy. Okay. So I thought it'd be kind of neat to show you the best boxes to use, the boxes that I think you should be using. If you're sending anything out that is fragile, you should absolutely, or getting anything sent to Amazon that's fragile, you should absolutely be double boxing. Okay. Double boxing is the best way. It's how a woodpecker's head works. It's also how crash helmets work. They work on this double boxing kind of idea. And basically all it is, it's the box with the thing in it, and then some packaging material, and then the actual box you're going to send the thing in. And that makes it incredibly, incredibly stable for sending stuff into it. Okay. You don't need it for everything, of course, but for things like this, where it's a little bit difficult to send stuff without, and you don't want anything to break, that is the gold standard. Okay. And then as far as boxes goes, the actual ones you want to use, something called 5KK cartons or 5KK boxes. So another way of saying that is high grade, export grade shipping cartons. So if you specify that to your factory, because your factory, all things being equal, if you don't specify the boxes, they'll give you the cheapest ones. Okay. Because they pay for the boxes. So all things being equal, they'll give you the cheapest possible boxes. You don't want that. You end up with that kind of situation. So you want to specify to the factory in your purchase order, here's the boxes I want it to come in. I want to use 5KK boxes, which are export grade, high grade, export grade cartons. Okay. Really important you do that. Saves you all sorts of trouble, all sorts of trouble. And I think the cost difference, well, it might be like 10 cents a box, something like that, but you avoid that. And if you're sending your stuff directly from the factory in China to Amazon in America, it can be an absolute nightmare if you don't get these things packaged properly. Okay. And they arrive badly and Amazon doesn't accept them. Amazon makes you repack it. Oh, it's hassle, expensive hassle. So you want to use 5KK anyway. Super cool. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of over 2,500 e-commerce professionals right around the world. We're the fastest growing e-commerce community right here in Australia, for instance, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. That link is in the description. I will see you on the next video. Until then, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.